Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install Hycon OS on Redmi Note 9 Pro, 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro. So guys, if you don't know how to install Hycon OS on your Mi Atoll device, then watch this video. You can easily install any custom ROM on your phone. Okay, so first of all you need to unlock your bootloader and install custom recovery, which I have already done. Okay, so if you do not have that, so you can watch your videos on YouTube. Right now I am using Chorus OS, which is on Android 11 base, and we are going to flash Hycon OS, which is also a Android 11 build. Okay, so let's flash. So first of all you need to reboot your Android phone into recovery mode. So right now I am using Orange Fox recovery. You can use any custom recovery, which is Pitch Black recovery, TWRP recovery, Orange Fox recovery, Skyhawk recovery, any recovery you can use. Okay, so I'm going to boot. So let's wait. So you can see my Orange Fox recovery is booted successfully. So now first thing you need to note down, first take a backup of your internet storage, okay, in computer. After that just go to wipe section and go and select here Dalvik caches and data and wipe. Don't format or don't select SD card or internal storage. Okay, done. After that guys, go and download files which you require to flash. So in the video description you will find all the related links. So go and download ROM and related files. So I'm going to flash. I have all files in my SD card. So I'm going to select ROMs and find Hycon OS. Okay, then add more zip. I'm going to flash now encryption file because my device is decrypted. If your device is not decrypted, then flash your ROM, then format your data, then your ROM will boot successfully. Otherwise your ROM will get boot loop. Okay, so I'm going to flash Magisk as well to root my device. So just select your files and swipe to flash. It will take some time, so wait until complete. Okay guys, so finally all files are flashed successfully. So just clear wipe cache and click on reboot system button. So it will take guys 2-3 minutes to boot. If you are stuck long time like 5 minutes, then you need to format your data. After that your ROM will boot. So my device is booted successfully without any issue. So you will see that welcome screen. Just keep that part. I'm using GApps variant. You have GApps and vanilla variant both. You can use any. Okay, I will put the link below description. You can download any build, no problem. So just keep that part, and you can see this is the home screen. You will first time look like. You will get this beautiful launcher, which is very smooth and cool style. Okay, so let's check how RAM management and app opening speed we are getting. So let's check recent panel as well. So not showing anything. Just open some application and check. Okay, so app opening speed is very good on this ROM, and you can see this is recent panel. You have two options on bottom. You can use that as well. You can see notification panel and settings UI here. Now go here about section and you can see Android 11 Okay, so Hycon OS is successfully installed and you will get latest security patch with good battery backup kernel, which is Aetherius kernel, guys. This is the best kernel right now, but we have lots of kernel like Agni kernel, Yuki kernel as well, so you can try that as well. You can flash those kernels as well on this ROM. Okay, no issues about that. You can see Android 11 support here. So one thing I'm going to mention here, which is ANX camera, which is best. Okay, so you don't need to flash any custom camera like Gcam or ANX because you have ANX camera pre-installed in that ROM, so you can use this. My background is black, that's why it's not showing anything, but don't worry guys, all camera specs are working here. Fingerprint, face unlock and app lock as well working, no issues with that. Go to settings. Here you can find one option which is Hycon Hub. In that Hycon Hub you will get lots of customizations, so I can show you here. You can see themes, quick settings, notification panel and lock screen. Otherwise all customization features you have here. You can customize all and each and every part of your Android phone with that settings. Okay, so with that way guys, this is our ROM. So if you want to download and flash on your Android phone, so follow description link and download this ROM for your Mi Atoll device and flash this with my guide. You can follow my guide from my description article, you can follow this. So thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please like and share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.